Okay, that's good.
I like feathers.
Well, he has to drop the feathers. He's not dropping it yet. Hey, peacock, bah, bah, say bah, 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 bah.
He's dropping them.
He'll drop later. It's not drop. It's growing his feathers now, so he won't drop it now. He'll drop it later. Let's go look at the chicken egg. Get some eggs.
Some eggs.
Yeah, let's go get some eggs. Let me look. All right, let's see.
This in
Oh,
here. This
yeah.
in there. This in here. This egg.
Let me see. Let me see. No, there's no egg there. But I see egg here. Let me get some eggs. All right. Already. Go look in the other one. See if you see any eggs.
I see a egg.
What's that? You see eggs?
I found one.
All right.
Maybe the babies in there are so cute.
Oh, really? Do you see any more eggs?
Yes.
Slowly. Okay, any more? On the last one, do you see the last one? You done?
Out.
Okay. Okay, no more eggs. All right.
Out my head.
Oh, your head. Okay, it's okay. Every time you come here, you knock your head on the little wood. I need to fix something. Maybe put some kind of protection. Let's see how the peacock doing. Well, peacock, the two females are there. All right. Okay, let's go feed some eggs to the dog. All right. Come, little puppy. Here you go. Come, little puppy.
I want to feed it. I want to feed it.
Hmm?
I want to feed it to the peacock because the peacock is hungry too.
No, peacock don't need it. Here, put it here. Peacock just need one for little puppy. Oh, eat the eggs, little puppy. All right.
Can you hold me?
I think she's waiting for us to go. Then she'll eat it.
Oh my goodness.
All right, let's go. All right, let's go. The cat wants one too. Let's go give one to the cat.
I give one to the cat.
Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay, go. Let's go. No, you had to break it. Bring it. The cat cannot break it. Come that way. Let's go find the cat container to give to the cat. All right, hold on. Let me find a place where you can give to the cat. Come bring it here.
You drop it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you drop it in the bowl?
Uh-huh.
Oh. I
All right.
want to drop it.
All right, hold on 1 minute.
I want to drop it in the bowl.
Let me drop it. Here, come bring it here. Here, put it here. Put it on the ground. Just throw it.
Okay.
Okay, come kitty cat. Okay, that's fine. They will open.
Okay.
Come kitty cat.
Come on.
She's eating it.
Tree is eating that. It's so wiggly. I want to eat that egg. I want
No, you can eat it later. We need to fry it up. Or we can eat it raw if you want, but no, it's good for the babies. Can't
Daddy,
young babies can't eat it raw ones. You had to cook it.
Daddy, come. Daddy, come. Come, Daddy. Come, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
Come, Dad. Come, Dad. Come, Dad. Come, Dad. Come, Dad. Come, Dad.
Okay, hold on
Come,
1
Dad.
minute. Give me one.
Three.
Yeah, 3 cats.
All right. Bye. Come
I
on.
finished it up.
Come on. But I'm that egg. You have to catch it.
Okay, 1 minute.